Hey, listen, I know you've probably bought several trading courses that gave you no results, and it seems like absolute waste of your time and money, and perhaps you're already thinking that Forex trading is a scam. So allow me to congratulate you for finding this video because I will show you the secret system to trading success that you have been denied of for so long. An example of a trade that I called on pound USD and this very trade will open your eyes to see how easy it is to know when you need to be patient in the market and also when you need to execute your trade by hitting those buy or sell button. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, GBPUSD Forex, and I know so many of you are tired of the endless trading strategies that lead to nowhere. But in this video, I'm about to expose a game changer in the world of Forex trading. It is tested, it is proven, and also it is the only Forex trading system that truly works. So if you are ready to unlock the secrets to trading like a pro for consistent profit and financial freedom, be sure to watch this video to the last minute. So before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Feel free to ask any question you may have in the comment section, and also check the link in the video description to join our trading community. Let's get started. So a lot of people come into the Forex game and never make any money. They spend so much money. Some go as far as to take loans from their families, friends, and wherever, and many also sacrifice their rent money, school fees, tuition, and so on. There are also people who consider taking funds from other people just to trade for them at a fee, and before you know, it's all gone down the drain. And hey, you are definitely not alone in this, and the absolute fact is that the market is definitely not the problem either. There are thousands of traders just like yourself who are now a living testimony of the success that comes with trading when you have the right skill set and the mindset. If you are not getting results, it only shows that you need to go back to the drawing board and really put enough time and resources to studying how the market really works. So allow me to share a short story about myself. When I started trading as a trader 10 years ago, the way I used to trade kept me glued to my laptop screen. I was up at all times, continuously monitoring the London session, the New York session, the Japanese trading session, and all of that. I was constantly switching between 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and all of that blindly without knowing exactly what I was really doing, without a properly structured trading system to guide how I trade. But believe me when I say this, those who spend the most times in front of their screens, they often don't earn much money, and that is if they make any money at all. And now imagine if you have to go through this very tough routine day after day and ending up with multiple wrong trading accounts. You lose not just money, it is only a matter of time before you start to lose your mind and lose your health as well. So that is definitely a big blow for anyone to deal with. But a few years down the line, I became very consistent by adopting the way I currently trade, and I was able to record several profitable winning trades, winning days, weeks, and even months in the market. I also developed a trading system whereby I could trade and still live my best life completely out on the chart. And that is exactly how I came up with the Blue Vision Mastery Program, which is simplified top-down methodology whereby I can look from the high time frame and anticipate the market moves like a sniper. I can spot thousands of pips into the future and then simply scale down to identify the current trend on the long time frame where I execute my trade with absolute confidence and also in line with the overall trend. And over the years, I have also mentored and shared this knowledge with over 200 students from across the globe who are also doing better as independent traders by themselves. So I show them this in our Forex mentorship program. I will also quickly share with you some of the results and reviews from all these people over the years in our trading community, of course. So I could go on, and there are thousands of results from several traders to confirm all of this. And everything about this proven system of trading that I use worked completely on a naked chart. And in all these years since discovering this gold mine, I never had a single reason to put any indicator on my chart Raw price action is one proven system that can give you a great advantage when you understand how to read price. And this is how I'm able to have all these results that I share with you day by day, week after week in our trading community. And hey, I hate to be the one to burst your bubbles, but you see how those RSI, moving averages, crossovers, and the likes, all these things are designed not to work. They are not going to save you in the markets, right? These things are designed to lag behind price. It simply means that if price does not take 5 steps, they cannot take 1 step. So it is definitely useless to bet on something that is by default designed to lag. So just to further show you how powerful this trading system really is, I will quickly show you an example of a trade that I called on pound USD in the VIP signals group this week. And this very trade will open your eyes to see how easy it is to know when you need to be patient in the market and also when you need to execute your trade by hitting those buy or sell button. Yes, so as you can see on the screen, I have the pound USD trade right on the screen, and also you can see my Telegram channel on the screen as well. And this Telegram channel is one of the channels where I publish everything I do in the market, trading updates and everything else. So if you are not in this Telegram channel, be sure you check into this channel right away. The link is in the video description, so be sure to join this channel and be part of this trading community. So I really focus on pound USD and EURUSD, so that is where I call out every trade that I'm looking at on pound USD and EURUSD. So these trades are called out in the blue VIP signals group. So we have a VIP signals group where I call out every single move on pound USD and EURUSD because these are the two markets that I really focus on. So to begin the week, we had a trade on pound USD as I was about to explain, and this trade played out beautifully. This is the trade right here, this very same setup, and this is the same move right here. So we were looking for longs to begin the week, and the cool thing about this was when this market was explained for the members of the VIP, price was right around this level over here. Price was not at this entry area, so this was the entry area right here. So with the way we trade, we are able to spot when exactly we need to look for entries in the market. So when this trade was called, we explained everything about this, the confirmation, the technical play, and really everything about the price action was explained to the VIP signals members. So at the time, price was around this level here. Price did not make it to this low at the time. So we knew we needed to wait until price came to this level, and that was exactly what was explained, that we needed to wait to be patient for price to come all the way to this low before we took an entry. So this system of trading helps you to know when you need to be patient with the market. So we knew we needed to be patient. So when the market opened, we waited until I think the end of Monday before price got to this level here. And when price got to this level, we were able to look for entry to begin our week. So when market open for the week, it's not all about just taking trade right away. You need to check in with your trading system if it is time, if it tells you it is time to take an entry. So you need to take an entry only when price tests specific key levels in the market. So the key level right here was tested, and we knew it was time to take an entry. So we took an entry. We got into this trade, and price gave us really good confirmation. So this is the same trade right here. As you can see, price played out beautifully. We rolled this all the way to the top. So price tested our take profit. Take profit was hit on that very setup. And we were also going back and forth with the students, with the subscribers in the VIP, where we were able to give out the confirmations that the markets were making at the time. So when price started moving out, you can see what we have over here. We were able to spot the HNS confirmation, which was another confirmation for an entry in the market. And we also gave out the play-by-play moves as price progresses through the week. So that is simply how we were able to catch all these moves. This is the same call that we made from the weekend, where we explained this market move before it happened. So from what you see on the screen, this is just an image from the video. technical breakdown that we did explaining this very move. So price did all this confirmation. You can see the place where price was testing at the time. Price did not make it to this low at the time yet. So we needed to wait for price to come all the way to fill up this level before start going bullish. So we waited for that to happen. Price came, filled up that level right here. So after it filled up this level, it gave us the confirmation we needed to look for bullish move. So price gave us all this confirmation and then it started going bullish, and that was simply how this trade came about. Very simple trade, provided you know exactly when to be patient and when to react in the market. And that is the beauty of this system of trading. It tells you exactly when you need to be patient with the market and also when you need to pull the trigger by clicking the buy or sell on your trade. So when you know exactly the right places you need to watch out for on your chart, you know exactly when you need to be patient and when you need to react. So that's the beauty of trading with this Blue Vision methodology. By using the top-down breakdown, you are able to look at markets from the high time frame and project market movement into the future even before price makes the move. You know exactly what you are looking for price to do. So it's all about being patient and being disciplined and also trading the right system. So another trade I also was looking at from the weekend was pound euro AUD, and EHA. We also had something really beautiful on EHA, and that was a trade also from the weekend where we called out that price was going to go short to begin the week. And the beauty of this very trade is that at the time price was right here, so we had all the confirmation that we needed for price to continue going bearish. But what happened over here was it was market gap. We had a very beautiful trade, very good risk to reward, but what happened here was market gap. So sometimes, a lot of times over the weekend, there are a lot of fundamental and economic events that goes on. So when the market opens for the week, there is a lot of volatility from market open. So the volatility from market open caused this gap that we see here. And one thing we're able to also learn from this is that price respected technicals. So technicals really is the most important thing. When you understand technicals, everything else is just going to complete what your technicals already tells you. So you can see the trade. I will quickly show you the trade right here. So this is the same trade that we called. So we're looking for these to continue bearish to begin the week. This was the trade setup that was called out in the VIP to begin the week. So when market opened, we were looking to take entry and short this market. We had our TP. The first TP was right here. The second TP was all the way to this low over here. So we're looking for short right here. And when the market opened, we got that right away. This simply completed technicals, right? So this is one of the reasons why I never really bore my students with economic news and all of that, because at the end of the day, when you understand technicals, everything else complements technicals. Everything else complements technicals. So you can see the trade call right here. This is the trade call right here, and you can see how price did the same thing right here. So the same thing played out right here. So technicals is really very, very important. When you understand how to read the market the right way, you know exactly where to look for your trades and where to position your orders. And that is the most important thing right here. So we do not just call this trade, we also provide the full technical breakdown explaining our outlook on this market way before the market makes the move. So you are able to understand the pre-trade analysis and understand how price is expected to play out from that point. So if you have any questions or you want to share your whole trading experience, drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. And for further guidance and personalized support, visit our website with a link in the video description to access additional quality resources, including our complete trading course, our one-on-one coaching, our signal services, and so on.
So thanks for tuning in. If you found value in this video, do not hesitate to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel as well, and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on the best trading tips and systems from us. Bye.